Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ritah. Today we are going to talk about Google Meet. So you come here on Google Chrome, you double click there for it to open. Come and you search for Google Meet here. You type the word Google Meet. So then you search to open for you, saying that Google Meet, it is you can make online videos, meetings and conferences. So we are going to click there. So here we are told that, remember, Google Meet, it is a platform where you can handle meetings, whether conference on a conference or any other where. So we are going to say here they have said you can stay connected and collaborate with friends, families and colleagues no matter where you are. We are going to sign in. When you sign in, you are going to put here your email. Now, like mine, it is at Viola. So here they have said use the account. You press next. We are told to enter the password, and which that one can't be shown because it is private. So it is so first to see it is not. So you press next. So here we are told that you can start the meeting now. Remember that we have options. You can start the meeting now, is later or what. Now here of course they have said new meeting. You can create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. Let us first try this one of schedule in Google Calendar. So here we are going to add the title of the meeting. We may say, let me say, family meeting. They have said here, they have told you all day does not repeat. So you can say maybe it is daily. It can take place daily. So is it for all day or what? I can say maybe it is all day. So which date of it? Because today it is 26th of October. I can change the time. I come here and I say it will take place on Tuesday, that is at the end of the month. This, let me check on the month. We come here and we say next month in November. So the date is the same, the year is the same cause. So here I've told you can add location where it is going to be, notification through the email. So after scheduling it, you can forward it to the emails of those people who whom you want to attend a meeting with. But here, of course, they don't have like those emails, so I'm going to leave that. So after all that, here they have told us it is free or difficult visibility. You can say either it is free or busy. Then after all that, you can come and save. You can come and see that our scheduled meeting, it is saved, and you can go back and say after that you can save. I've told you. Then they have told us it can be an instant meeting. So here I've added the titles family meeting, and I save it here. Here I'm told that the event is saved. So on my calendar it is there. So then see, so after all that you come back and let's try out the one of the instant meeting. We all know that for instant meeting you should be having an email to share to those people so that they can join meeting. Here we are told that, do you want people to see and hear you in the meeting? You can turn off your microphone and see the camera anytime in the meeting. So here, but you want to use the microphone and the camera, and use the microphone while using this side. So we can all hear that we are using the microphone. So here I'm told that you left the meeting. So let's also try the one of the scheduled by the Google. Let's come and try out of the one scheduled on Google Calendar. For this case, I have already told you the one scheduled on Google Calendar. We already know that it is the family meeting will take place on 30th of November. So for that case, we can